Hi! In this video, we will show you how to withdraw from your Promax account. Open the Promax dashboard and click on Manage Funds from the side menu, then click Withdrawals. If you use this option for the first time, you must add the payment method first. Let's add a payment method by clicking this button. Remember, if you deposit money via USDT, you can only withdraw using USDT. Likewise, if you deposit using Perfect Money, you can only withdraw using Perfect Money, and so on. Now select USDT because we deposit money using USDT. Enter the wallet address here, and click Update Details. After you add your wallet, click the Back to Withdrawals button. Now select your Promax account, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Now select Merchant as USDT because you added your payment method as USDT. Now click Proceed to Withdrawal button. If you do not receive your payment in 24 hours, please contact us. Goodbye and take care.